Reverend Father Dennis Asima, Lord Engarenok taili pasine, Gesda buili pidua putor, kede Maria, totoka Yesu, nada apolala unitkoto motauke, ido da ingadite, iboro kere tomotauke, araekuro siadumu nungarena jokan.
Today, Mother Church is celebrating the Immaculate Heart of Mary. I know the Catholic Church is sometimes not seen well for giving a lot of honor to Mary, but I think she deserves it, being the mother of the Savior.
I, Occasion Faustin Ijala, elected as head prefect of Teso Progressive Senior Secondary School, promise to do my very best at all times to set a high example in my own honor.
I, Occasion Faustin, elected as a secretary finance Unsabodi of Teso Progressive Secondary School.
So, our dear prefects who are coming in, make sure that you are determined to do what is expected of you. Do everything well.
You are electorate, the voters. 2, I congratulate you upon constituting the administration body of the school for the year 2022-2023. And we want to believe that you will not stray away from the path your colleagues have used. So, do a good job in your term. Be good in decision making.
In a possible way, we are very proud of you. Very, very proud of you. And we want to encourage you to be disciplined. And I want you to be humble. You know, humility pays.
Jono Mogor, a director of Teso Progressive Secondary School, Nyesia Balebe, Geutoske se somero kai mwalimu na kaisare ikanyare, kere idue itomonangon, konyado ketait na ejasi kesi kopekwana, Nyesi da itodiebe, aitodolikinaru jasi tikech.
We had 27 teachers and about 14 students. That's how it was. We had more teachers. Bring out the values. It is our utmost desire that when you get out of Teso Progressive, you should be a God-fearing person. You should be a person of integrity. You must be a person who believes in teamwork. You must be transparent. You must be excellent. That's why at all times, Teso Progressive, we don't settle for less.
So the new leadership, you should know that you're supposed to exercise the principles of leadership.
Anoka TV East, Joseph Egao, Ngora District.